The question here is to get the values of x and y for these two system of equation. So what we can observe here that these equations are not in the standard form. So the first thing that we'll do is to write them in the standard form. So we are going to replace 1 over x say as u and 1 over y as v. So therefore this we can write as what? 21 times u plus 47 times v equals 110. And similarly, this can be written as what? 47 times u plus 21 times v is equal to 168. Now, next thing you can observe over here is that the coefficient of u is same as coefficient of v, and similarly, coefficient of v in the first is same as coefficient of u in the second. So in order to simplify the working, first we are going to add these two equations. So on adding these two equations, what we are getting, this is 68 times u plus 68 times v equals, this is how much? This is 272. Now on dividing both sides by 68, what do we get? This is u and this is v, and this divided by 68 is how much? 4. So if I mark this equation as 3, well, this being the first and this is the second. Now similarly, we will be subtracting these two equations to obtain the fourth equation. So for subtracting, you know that we reverses this sign. So this is 21 minus 47 is what? Negative 26 times u, and this is positive 26 times v equals negative 52. Now dividing both sides by 26, we'll get this as negative u plus positive v, and this is divisible by 26 by 2 times, so it's minus 2. And we mark this as the fourth equation. And the next thing is that to add these two equations, if I add these two equations, what do we get? So on adding this, u get cancelled here, and v plus v is how much? 2 times v. And their sum is how much? This is 2 only. So from here we get the value of v as what? 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Now we'll substitute the value of v in this equation to get u, plus v is 1 equals 4. So we get u as 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now what we can observe that we have to get the value of x and y, and x is what? Reciprocal of u. So what we can say from here, the reciprocal of u is x, so x is reciprocal of 3, which is 1 by 3. And similarly, if I look into the value of y is reciprocal of what? Y is reciprocal of v. So the reciprocal of 1 is what? 1. So we'll say that the value of x and y are this, that is x as 1 by 3 and y as 1 by y as 1. Yes, therefore B is the correct answer of this question.